What's up everyone, Devin Director here. So this is the final part of the Git and GitHub series of videos that I've been making. And without further ado, let's just get into it. So we have the file that we have been asked to add into the root directory in 0x01-git. So you're supposed to add the file. So supposed to create the file up_to_date. So we're going to just use the command touch to add that file in there. Then after I've added that file there, when you do an ls, you're supposed to see the bash directory, C directory, readme.md file, then the up-to-date file. So given the question that you have been, then the task, you have been told to make the changes to the up-to-date file and add the line git pull in there. So I used VI to do that. So I opened VI with the file name up to date, then used VI to, and then I just inserted the text git pull. So after you do that and you save, when you run a git status, you'll see that up to date is untracked. So that means that we haven't added it yet. So we need to add that file. So use git add dot. I mentioned this previously. Git add the change to the working directory in the staging area. Then follow it up with a git commit. With that git commit message out to be up to date in Git. And when you just write that statement there, git commit -m, then the commit message, then you'll do a git push. So the git push command is used to upload the local repository content to a remote repository content, in this case the repository that we made earlier and in GitHub. Then after you do a git push, the output that you're seeing there, you're uploading it to the master branch. So when you get that output, that means it's accurate and you have done the work correctly. So yes, and that marks the end of the Git and GitHub series. Hopefully to catch you guys in the next one. Please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell because moving forward I'll be releasing more of this type of content moving forward. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys in the next. Peace out.